Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add GTM or Google Tag Manager to Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open tagmanager.google.com, and if you have already created an account, then open your account and click on admin and click on install Google Tag Manager, and here you will find two tag, but right now I'm going to show you how to create an account. So I'm going back from here and I'm clicking on create account name. You can select country and enter your Shopify website URL. Without HTTPS, and select web and click on create. Check this option and click on yes. So the account has been successfully created, and now copy this first code by clicking here and go to your admin panel of Shopify and click on online store and click on actions, edit code. Select your theme.liquid file and under to the head tag paste tag manager code, and again go to tag manager and copy this second code, and here search for the body tag. So here is the body tag. Under the body tag paste the code and click on save. So this was how we can set up Google Tag Manager on Shopify. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.